The golden egg. Once upon a time, a farmer had a beautiful hen that laid one golden egg every day. It was not an ordinary egg, rather, a golden egg. The egg provided enough money for the farmer and his wife to support their daily needs. The farmer and his wife continued to be happy for a long time. But one day, the farmer thought to himself, why should we take just one egg a day? Why can't we take them all at once and make a lot of money? The farmer told his wife his idea, and she foolishly agreed. Then the next day, as the hen laid its golden egg, the farmer was quick with a sharp knife. He killed the hen and cut its stomach open, in the hopes of finding all its golden eggs. But as he opened the stomach, there was nothing but blood all around and no trace of any egg at all. The farmer quickly realized his foolish mistake and proceeded to cry over his lost resource. He himself made his life miserable. As the days went on, the farmer and his wife became poorer and poorer. How jinxed and how foolish they were. Moral of this story: don't be greedy. Appreciate what you have. Zarabic.